Hi kindergarten and welcome to our writing time. So today in writing, we are going to finally start our maps. So we're going to start drawing our maps. And so when you look into your folders and you look in your packets, you're going to see a big piece of white paper and there should be nothing on it. So that is where you're drawing your map. Now you should have two pieces of that paper. So one of them is in case you mess up or you want to start over, or you need more space, you can use that second piece of paper. But you only need to use one unless you mess up and you want to use the second one, or you want your map to be a little bit bigger. So today this week we've been brainstorming on how we want to make our maps. So we had this paper first where we were talking about who we want in our community and what buildings they work in. And then we had another paper and it was saying other things. So we were talking about roads should probably be on the map and all of these different kinds of things. And so for your map, you can start off in pencil. So if you make a mistake, you can erase it. And then you can go back in later and use crayons and color it and make it look really, really nice. Now, when I'm making my map, so I'm going to do it on my whiteboard. So the first place that I had written down for my community helpers and buildings was doctors and that they work in a hospital. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off by drawing a hospital. So for me, I'm just going to draw a nice big building just like this. And I'm going to write on it hospital so that I know what this is. So I'm going to write down hospital. Now, if I want to add something else to it so that people really know, when I think of a hospital, I think of a red cross. That tells people that it is a hospital. So I'm going to draw a red cross just like this so that people know what it is. So this is called a logo. And so it's telling people what it is without having to read hospital. They see this red cross and they know that is what a hospital is. So I have my hospital. Then I also said that I needed to have some roads and streets. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a road just like this. And roads have these lines on them. So that way cars can drive by and they can get into the hospital. Now I might say, okay, maybe I want to draw one more building today. So I'm going to draw a grocery store. So I'm going to have my big grocery store and I'm going to write that. That way people know what it is. I'm going to have a grocery store. So for right now in my city, I have a hospital, I have a grocery store, and I have a road. Now your paper is a lot bigger than my whiteboard is, and so you guys can start off drawing stuff. They can be far apart from each other. They can be next to each other. However it is you want to draw this. This is your city. So you can think of a name of what your city is called and then start making it. So this is how we're doing it. You can go down your list today and put in the different places that you had thought of on Monday. And then slowly tomorrow and on Friday, we're going to finish it up and add more and more details to our cities. So that is what you're doing today. You're going to start your city. You can start drawing in those buildings, those streets, whatever it is that you brainstormed that needed to be in your city. That's what you're doing today. So have fun with this. If you want to start in pencil so that if you make a mistake, you can erase it, that's a great idea. You can go back in with your crayons, color it in, make it look really pretty, really nice. Be creative, have fun with it, and I cannot wait to see your different cities.